To copy and paste text in transcription in live transcript in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open live transcript. As the example, we will open it through the accessibility button. To do so, tap the accessibility button at the bottom right corner of the screen and then select live transcript. To bring back the transcript, swipe down the screen. To copy a text from the transcription, press and hold the text and then tap copy. To copy a sentence or song from the transcription, press and hold a text, followed by dragging the selection. And then tap copy. Well, to copy the full transcription, press and hold a text, tap select all, and then tap copy. All copied text will be copied to the clipboard so you can paste them to other apps according your need. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.